And I want to share with you this one because as you face your customers, motivation is very important. You need to know what is motivating them. And most importantly, I'm here because I represent your customer. And I just want to share with you a recent success, no, na we're selling a property through bank loan. And yung buyer natin, nagkaroon ng dalawang bank, another bank and BPI. And I want to share the success that yung other banks, nagpapa-approve pa lang, tayo approve na agad at palabas ay document signing. Yeah. So I was so impressed and I want to share with you yung magaang, madali, mabilis, it's really working from a customer point of view. Give yourself a round of applause. Sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, an asset, very simply put, is something that gives money to your pocket. And a liability is something that takes away money from your pocket. Tama ba yung mga sagot nyo? Alright. So what is the difference between a good debt? A good debt is umutang tayo sa bangko at to generate more income. Agree ba tayo dyan? A bad debt is umutang tayo pero hindi naman nag-generate ng income. Ayan, yan. So, we're in the real estate business and I've been working with BPI since I was 30 years old. And using loans, we were able to leverage from 1 property to 2 to 3 to 5. Now, thank you to Lord and thank you to loans, we are now more than 30 plus properties. Yes, through leverage. So, sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, active income is pag nagtatrabaho pa tayo. It's important. We need active income para maka-generate tayo ng capital. That's what you call man at work. Then eventually, you want your money to start working for you. Ito na yung where you open a side business, a rental property. It becomes from man at work to money at work. This is very important. I want to show you the cycle of the stock market and human behavior. We are now nasa bottom. Diba? We're now in the maybe panic, depression stage. But na after the depression stage, what's the behavior like? It becomes hope, relief, optimism, expansion. Paakyat na ulit. And I strongly believe na we're at that stage. We're in paakyat na lahat. So I'm very, very excited with your mantra na madali, magaang, mabilis, because that's truly what the market needs. What do you think is the motivation of a person buying a private jet? Bakit kaya sila bumibili ng private jet? Luxury? Comfort? Or time? Time. There you go, time. Because for them, time is more important than money. The private jet, without even flying, parked in the hangar will cost you minimum 1 million pesos just to be parked. Every month yun, recurring expense. How about sports car? 40 million sports car. What do you think is the motivation of a person buying a sports car? Is it getting from point A to point B? No, di ba? So I think from a sports car point of view, it's self-fulfillment, social status, and achievement. Diba? It's a quiet way to show I've arrived. And I want to share with you this one because as you face your customers, motivation is very important. You need to know what is motivating them. And most importantly, I'm here because I represent your customer. One of the notable techniques that I learned was from this guy. Who's this guy? In Japsia, what restaurant? What development company now? Double Dragon. Sabi niya sa akin, Carl, this like 20 plus years ago, starting out ng Mang Inasal. Sabi niya, Carl, tiga Visayas ako. If people come to me to open a franchise and they say, it's in this location, Mandaluyong, Taytay, San Juan, I don't know where this is. And we don't have money to have professional assessors kung okay yung location. So how do you think INJAP will know if they will open a Mang Inasal or not? Sabi niya sa akin, Carl, we have a very secret formula. Madaling, magaang, mabilis. Sabi niya, basta may McDonald's, may Jollibee, we open a Mang Inasal. Make sense? What I learned from the Taipans, even if they're so wealthy and rich and successful, they keep things simple. What is KISS? Keep it short and simple. All right. Do not withhold the opportunity to make your customer feel happy. Diba? Instant gratification. Fantastic mental model. That's my bonus for you. As I land the plane, last mental model is the model of what, so what, now what. What is this trying to tell us? That in every mental model of a client, ito yung mindset nila. They're asking, why are you here? What is the event for? Why are you inviting me to your bank? What is this email all about? So first level, what did I teach you today? Can you help me read? Prospecting is, customer touchpoint is, and use the AIDA as a guide. So what? This mental model gives you steps how to deal with your client and gives you confidence to reach your targets this 2025. Are you feeling it? Na parang, uy, I now know how to approach my clients. I feel more confident. Yes? Yes. And lastly, now what? My challenge to you is go for micro wins. How do you eat an elephant? You eat it one bite at a time.